हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया का असिस्टेंट मैनेजर का जो स्पेशलिस्ट स्ट्रीम है उसमें आईटी ऑफिसर जो स्ट्रीम है उसका एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक अपन यहाँ पे आज क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें, जो है ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्राम, जिसको हम बोलते हैं ऊप्स कॉन्सेप्ट। ओके, तो जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू आपको डायरेक्टली वीडियोस जो है वो मिल जाए। ओके, तो आईटी ऑफिसर का जो ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड का प्रोग्रामिंग का कंसेप्ट है, इसके पहले भी अपन ने एक जनरल फंडामेंटल का कंसेप्ट भी सॉल्व किए थे, जिसको अपन एसडीएलसी लाइफ जो बोला था वो, उसका भी वीडियो मैंने ऑलरेडी बना के रखा है, प्लस मॉक पेपर भी है। तो जिन्होंने अभी तक वो नहीं देखा है वो भी देख लीजिए, प्लस अभी जो टॉपिक वाइज क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वो कंटिन्यू भी आप देख लीजिए। उसके लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रख दीजिए। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे। What is the correct way to create object in C++? अब ऑब्जेक्ट अगर C++ में करना है तो क्लास एंड क्लास का नाम एंड देन उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम। तो यहाँ पे देखो क्लास एंड ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसे अपन यहाँ पे डिफाइन करते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकंड, which of the following is not a property of object in OOP? तो देखिए स्टेट होता है, बिहेवियर होता है, आइडेंटिटी होता है, लेकिन कंपाइलेशन प्रोसेस नहीं होता है, मतलब वो प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है ऑब्जेक्ट की। ओके, नेक्स्ट थर्ड, which statement is true about constructor? तो देखो कंस्ट्रक्टर क्या होता है, दे इनिशियलाइज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, मतलब जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट होता है तो कंस्ट्रक्टर ऑटोमेटिकली कॉल हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट फोर्थ, एनकैप्सुलेशन इंश्योर। तो एनकैप्सुलेशन क्या करता है, डेटा को हाइड करने का काम करता है, इसलिए आंसर जो है वो क्या है, डेटा हाइडिंग। नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ, एक्सेस मॉडिफायर कंट्रोल एक्सेस टू क्लास मेंबर. Which modifier allows access only within the same class? Answer is private modifier. Next, 6. Which type of inheritance involves the child class inheriting from multiple parent class? The answer is multiple inheritance. Next, 7. What is true about virtual inheritance? तो virtual inheritance मतलब क्या होता है? It prevent ambiguity in multiple inheritance. Next, 8. Which function allows runtime polymorphism in C++? The answer is virtual function. Next, ninth, which method support method overloading? The answer is same name but different parameter list called as a method overloading. Next, 10, abstraction focus on, so hiding implementation details. Next, 11th, what keyword is used to define constant data member in C++? The answer is const keyword. Next, 12th, which OOP principle restrict direct access to certain class member? The answer is encapsulation. Next, 13, which of the following is not type of inheritance in C++? The answer is modular. देखिए सिंगल होता है, मल्टीपल होता है एंड हाइब्रिड भी होता है, लेकिन मॉड्यूलर नहीं होता। सिंगल लेवल, मल्टी लेवल, मल्टीपल, हायरार्किकल ऐसे इनहेरिटेंस होते हैं, लेकिन मॉड्यूलर नहीं। नेक्स्ट 14, इन C++ which access specifier allows derived classes to access base class member? तो आंसर इज प्रोटेक्टेड। मेंबर के जो टाइप है वो प्राइवेट है, प्रोटेक्टेड है, पब्लिक है, फ्रेंडली है। ओके, नेक्स्ट 15, what is the correct order of constructor call in multiple inheritance? The answer is base classes from left to right, then child class. Next, 16, what is the main feature of dynamic polymorphism? The answer is method overriding. Next, 17, which statement about function overriding is true? To answer it, it allows runtime behavior change. Next, 18, in C++, which key is used to ensure that function in polymorphic? Answer is virtual function. Next, 19, abstract classes cannot be instantiated, मतलब उसका अपन ऑब्जेक्ट बना नहीं सकते। ओके, नेक्स्ट 20, what must be true for class to be considered abstract in Java? तो आंसर is it has at least one abstract method. Next, 21, what type of constructor create copy of an existing object? Answer is copy constructor. Next, 22, what happens when destructor is not explicitly defined in C++? The answer is the system provide a default destructor. Next, 23rd, Which operator cannot be overloaded in C++? The answer is scope resolution operator. Okay. Next, 24. What is the correct signature of overloading operator function for equal to in C++? The answer is Boolean operator equal to, that is constant and object name. Next, 25. Which of the following statement is true about pure virtual function in C++? The answer is they can be defined using equal to 0 in the base class. Next, 26. When is virtual function resolved? The answer is runtime. Next, 27. Which of the following is creational design pattern? The answer is singleton. Next, 28. In the factory method pattern, what is typically the role of factory class? The answer is to decide which subclass of product to be instantiated. Next, 29. Which pattern ensure that class has only one instance and provide a global point to access to it? Answer is singleton. Next, 30. What does observe design pattern allows? The answer is one object to notify multiple objects when its state change. Next, 31. Which of the following is the main goal of single responsibility principle? The answer is a class should have only one reason to change. Next, 32. Which solid principle is violated when class is responsible for both managing its own data and the database operation? The answer is single responsibility principle. Next, 33. The open close principle states that class should be open for extension but closed for modification. Next, 34. Which principle ensure that derived class can be substituted from their base class without altering the correctness of the program? The answer is Liskov substitutions principle. Next, 35. Which solid principle is primary focus on avoiding fat interface? The answer is interface segregation principle. Next, 36. Which of the following is true about mutable keywords in C++? The answer is it allows member variable to be modified even in constant member function. Next, 37. What is the purpose of explicit keyword in C++ constructor? The answer is to indicate that the constructor cannot be called implicitly. Next, 38. Which keyword is used to prevent a class from being inherited in C++? The answer is final keyword. Okay. Next, 39. What is the purpose of override keyword in C++? The answer is to define a function that override a base class function. Next, 40. What does new operator in C++ do? The answer is allocate memory for an object and return pointer to it. Next, 41. What is the primary function of destructor in C++? Answer is to clean up and free resources when an object goes out of the scope. Next, 42. Which of the following correctly deallocate memory allotted using new C++? The answer is both A and B are correct depending on allocation type. Next, 43. What is the primary use of templates in C++? The answer is to define classes that can operate on different data types. Next, 44. Which of the following is true about function templates in C++? The answer is template can be used to create single function for all data type. Next, 45. What does the keyword type name indicate in C++ templates? The answer is it specifies the type will be replaced by template argument. Next, 46. Which of the following is used to throw an exception in C++? The answer is throw is used to call exception. Next, 47. Which C++ keyword is to handle exception? Answer is try. Try and catch. Next, 48. Which of the following statement is true about exception handling in C++? A catch block can catch multiple types of exception. Next, 49. Which of the following is true about polymorphism in object-oriented programming? The answer is it allows one method to handle different implementations. Next, 15. What is the key difference between method overloading and method overriding? The answer is overloading occurs when method has the same name but different parameters in the same class, while overriding happens when the same class provides specification implementation of the same method is already defined its superclass, means having same name and same parameter is same return type. नेक्स्ट जो वीडियो रहेगा अपना मॉक पेपर रहेगा प्लस सब्जेक्ट वाइज एमसीक्यूज एंड इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस भी अपन यहाँ पे सॉल्व करेंगे। जिन्होंने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा वो सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि नोटिफिकेशन थ्रू आपको ऐसी वीडियो डायरेक्टली मिल जाए। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू।